Everybody, you be here. Thanks for sticking around, checking out the exterior walk around of this beautiful Gladiator Rubicon edition. What's to love about it? What's not to love about it? I love the LED lights. I love this one that actually got a camera up here and it shoots a little bit of windshield wash when you're off-road trailing. Recovery hooks, love the lighting. Also becomes very well maintained from the previous owner. Got a nice hood protector there. I got a nice beefier tires. As you see, it's got the Fox suspension. Come down here, we got our nice running boards, proximity key entry control. Excuse me. Her top black. This thing also comes with, love the fender flares. And this thing comes with a tonneau cover. So we got our backup camera here. Recovery hooks. She's ready to go, ready to tow within certain limits. Box liner. And a nice tonneau cover. Let's check out the inside. Hey folks, thanks for sticking around and checking out the interior of this beautiful Rubicon. Just what's not to love about the interior? Check out the red stitching. Got the red stitching and all around the wheel. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love it, I love it. We got our power windows, power locks. We got a telescopic steering. It's just over 53,000 kilometers. This beautiful thing does come with adaptive cruise control. We got our cruise control on our right, our Bluetooth, and our cluster display on our left, along with our toggle switches on the back for our radio here and our volume down here. Comes with a little bit of storage space, two-tier system. This one does have the front and rear axle on and off. Nice media group here, and our power windows. This thing also comes with a heated seat and heated steering wheel. And also got the noise dampening on the inside, a bit extra insulation for when you're driving down, but a bit beefier tires. You don't hear much of the road noise. Well, that's a lot to get out on a Monday morning. Anyway, folks, thanks a lot. If you like what you see, give me a shout at St.Albert Dodge, 780-220-3822. We'll see you soon.